Guys, welcome to another tutorial of Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to upload a video without mark of water on TikTok. And this is an easy process to do. And you need to know this is an option outside of the app of TikTok. This is an option in a page in your navigator. So if you get a video on TikTok you want to upload without a mark of water, for example this, and you want to delete the mark of water of TikTok, you need to go to the first step is go here in these 3 points, and you need to copy the link of the video. So for example, I go to this video, and here I need to the link of this video, and I slide here and pick here in copy link. So after that you need to go to the page of Snaptic. Here you type in Snaptic, and after that the only thing you need to do is pick in the option and upload the link of the video, and the page give it to you a video without the mark of water, and you can upload the video. So this is the process. I hope this works for you. Follow us for more content like this. Set videos, and here you need to select the video. For example, if I choose this and I go down and I choose that video, I pick in next, and you got these 2 videos in the platform. So if you want to edit, you need to pick here in the options in the right side of the screen, here in edit, and you can create a simple edition. So you can move of place here the clips. You can change your duration, the duration, or you can select a cut out or effects, and you can put music, for example. And this is the options here in the down part with set, replace, delete, cut out, background, speed. You can create a simple edition with that dynamic lens, volume, and voice effect. All that stuff of a simple edit of your video. So after you edit your video, you need to pick here next, and that's it. You complete the process. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.